Cal, stand up. What up, fam? Yo, King Chris, you ready to do this shit, man? Let them know.
It's time to attack, can't show no pity now. About to put it down, representing 50 cal. We ready for war, homie, we ain't fucking around. And anybody that hate it can get stuck in the ground. A platoon of seasoned vets, far from novices. As soldiers in this shit, we never taking hostages. We bringing hip-hop back home to the underground. Until you mainstream lames don't make a fucking sound. We bout to buck them down and put them in the dirt. That's where you swackers belong, up underneath the earth. Fuck with me, get hurt, don't need no bodyguard. I throw hands that will hit your face and body hard. I'll leave your body scarred, lyrics burn to 3rd degree. I'm precise when I write, lyrical surgery. I'm aiming for your heart, locked and loaded 50 cal. Blow your chest out your back, who's fucking with me now? 50 cal entertainment, about to put it down. Dropping some more insane shit for the underground. 50 cal entertainment, ain't fucking around. Anybody that hate it can get stuck in the ground. 50 cal entertainment, about to put it down. Dropping some more insane shit for the underground. 50 cal entertainment, ain't fucking around. Anybody that hate it can get stuck in the ground. Rush on the flames, hotter than the fire that hell contains. Burning these lanes till nothing but ashes remain. Driven insane, nothing to give them but pain. I spit with disdain, lyrics that put kids to shame. It's not a game, I thought I told you it's a way of life. I'm not surprised that I would have to fucking say it twice. Yo, I've been playing nice, but now I must attack. It's all about the money now, yo, what the fuck is that? I ain't no fucking act, I'm just keeping it real. I'm all about the music, motherfucker, record deal. I'm here to bring the pain, make sure you don't forget my name. And I always hit my target whenever I aim. I'm busting at your brain, yo, we're some savages. 50 cal entertainment, bring that savage shit. King Chris is on the mic, who's fucking with me now? I'm about to put it down, representing 50 cal. 50 cal entertainment, about to put it down. Dropping some more insane shit for the underground. 50 cal entertainment, ain't fucking around. Anybody that hate it can get stuck in the ground. 50 cal entertainment, about to put it down. Dropping some more insane shit for the underground. 50 cal entertainment, ain't fucking around. Anybody that hate it can get stuck in the ground. You're about to witness the hottest shit around. 50 cal puts it down. The sound is so profound, it restructures the underground, snatching your crown. Come with all the might you can muster. Release the hounds to your town and start dropping bunker busters. I got a team of soldiers stacked on the wall, kicking the whole fucking door down, we grabbing it all. A clique of gorillas, apes and Neanderthals. Got the whole world praying for my downfall. Squad up! I guess it was different how I was brought up. I am my brother's keeper, that's what they taught us. Savage men with the pad and pen. They said it wasn't happening, but we're here to bring it back again. King Chris, the misfit. Chili Willy, Static and Mac, and sick click equals sick shit. Grabbing a fake, burn them alive at the stake. Laugh in the face, 50 cal bitch, make no mistakes. 50 cal entertainment, about to put it down. Dropping some more insane shit for the underground. 50 cal entertainment, ain't fucking around. Anybody that hate it can get stuck in the ground. 50 cal entertainment, about to put it down. Dropping some more insane shit for the underground. 50 cal entertainment, ain't fucking around. Anybody that hate it can get stuck in the ground.